Once upon a time, in a faraway land called the Kingdom of Dragons, there lived a young boy named Jack. Jack was an adventurous and curious boy, always seeking out new experiences and secrets to uncover. One day, while out exploring the kingdom's vast forests, Jack stumbled upon a mysterious golden dragon. The dragon was unlike any other Jack had ever seen before, with shimmering golden scales and piercing blue eyes. The golden dragon spoke to Jack, telling him of a great legend that had been passed down through the generations of dragons. According to the legend, there was a golden dragon who lived long ago, who was said to have the power to grant any wish to those who found him. The golden dragon told Jack that he was the reincarnation of this legendary figure, and that it was his destiny to fulfill the ancient prophecy and grant wishes to those in need. Jack was skeptical at first, but the dragon's words rang true in his heart. And so, with the golden dragon by his side, Jack set out on a journey to fulfill his destiny and bring happiness to the people of the kingdom. As they traveled from village to village, Jack and the golden dragon granted wishes to those in need. They healed the sick, fed the hungry, and brought joy to the hearts of the people. But their journey was not without danger. The kingdom was ruled by a wicked sorcerer who coveted the golden dragon's power for himself. The sorcerer sent his army of dark creatures to capture the golden dragon and bring him back to the sorcerer's castle. Despite the dangers they faced, Jack and the golden dragon remained determined to complete their mission. Together, they fought off the sorcerer's minions and made their way to the sorcerer's castle. There, they confronted the sorcerer in a fierce battle. But with the power of the golden dragon on their side, Jack and the dragon were able to defeat the sorcerer and restore peace to the kingdom. The people rejoiced and hailed Jack and the golden dragon as heroes. And from that day on, the legend of the golden dragon lived on, inspiring generations of young adventurers to follow in Jack's footsteps and use their own special powers to bring happiness and hope to the world.